How to evaluate the quality of virtual assistance service providers? When it comes to choosing a virtual assistant service provider, it is important to evaluate the quality of their services to ensure that it meets your business needs. At Sharkstack, we pride ourselves on providing high quality, dedicated virtual assistant services. One way to evaluate the quality of our services is by looking at our level of expertise and experience in the industry. Our team of virtual assistants is skilled professional with a range of expertise and experience in marketing, sales, and account management. Additionally, we have a clear and efficient communication and management process, which allows you for regular check-ins and updates to ensure that tasks are completed correctly and on time. We also ensure legal and compliance aspects are met, especially when it comes to data security and handling. Reach out us today to gain insight into our evaluation process for determining the quality of our virtual assistant services and discover how they can positively impact your organization.